Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Made in Asia. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix over bleach knots. As you can see, I have three frontals. I was in a rush and accidentally over bleached all three frontals. This actually happens when you press down too hard when you're going to bleach your knots. So what you'll need is a bowl, a brush, a spoolie, or an eyebrow comb. You will also need a hair dye. I used Dark and Lovely in the shade 372 Natural Black. It comes with the Fade Resist Cream Developer and the Fade Resist Rich Conditioning Color. So all I did was throw it in a bottle, shake it, and put it in the bowl. I'm going to start off by parting the hair and then applying the color. Make sure, please make sure that you're careful with this and that you take your time, because if you do not, you will dye your knots again. And it will result in you having to re-bleach your knots. Now, I did in some spots hit my knots, but I don't really too much care, so I'm not gonna re-bleach them. Um, and it took me about 35, maybe 40 minutes to re-dye three frontals. So it didn't take long at all. this is what the hair looks like after fixing the knots. I'm gonna let it sit for 25 minutes. That was for all of them. Please wear gloves because now my fingers look like they're about to die and fall off. This is what it looks like after I washed and conditioned it. You can see that there is no over bleaching anywhere. It looked like scap. Like I said, I did get a little bit of dye on the lace, but it's not in the front, so it doesn't matter. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later. That's after 30 minutes of washing my hands. See you guys in the next video, guys. Bye.